Hello, welcome to the Invest in Value channel. I am Victor. In this video, we're going to go over Lumen Technologies. Lumen is a communications company. It connects businesses so they can connect their people, they connect their computers, their data centers, websites, all things that need to be connected. Lumen provides services for connectivity. Before I jump into analyzing Lumen, please do me a big favor and like my video. Consider subscribing to my channel and hit that bell if you'd like to be notified when I release a new video. Now, as we look at Lumen, I want to put them through my scorecard, which has three principles. First, I want to get a discount on an investment in Lumen Technologies. Second, I want to know that they're well operated and they're performing well. And then third, is the timing right to buy shares of Lumen Technologies? Let's take a look. So Lumen has products for businesses primarily. It has some consumer products, but really it's a business communications company. So they do communications, whether it's going to be voice, call centers, voice over IP, all the things that a business would need, including connecting their data centers and all their operations, their cloud applications, all the things that need to be connected, which is a very big market these days. What drew me to Lumen is that they have a stable business because connectivity just continues to grow as the world becomes more connected, more data, more video, more everything is going through the pipes that connect the world. Let's take a look at the last 5 years and see where the stock's been trading. The stock had been trading at around $25 a share 5 years ago, and it's gone down really ever since, and it's stayed down around $10 to $15 a share. Now, I liked, Lumen because it was a value play for me. I could buy it at a really good discount and then pick up that big dividend of 8.72. It has been behaving that way for me. I bought it at a really good discount and really collect a nice dividend as a result. The market cap's not too high at 11.85 billion. And I think the future has some potential. If they can get their fiber business going, they start growing, look out, it could be a $20 stock and I win both ways. Great dividend and the stock went up in price. The priorities for the company are to invest to drive growth. They've been investing in high-speed fiber. That's been their main focus, and they're trying to get that business to really grow and be a big part of the company. They're going to maintain, they're very committed to that dividend because a lot of investors like myself bought into the stock and continue to buy the stock for that reason. So I took Lumen's financial statements as well as their guidance and put that information into my valuation model. Let me take you through that. First, I'm using a fairly high discount rate of 9%. And what's interesting is if you look at the dividend rate and you use the valuation using just the dividend, which uses the discount rate plus the growth rate, and I'm using 0 in this case, it comes out to almost exactly the current stock price. So the market's really valuing the stock based on its dividend. And it is a very good dividend. They can more than afford to pay this dividend. So shareholders are really holding it for that dividend. But I think there's upside on top of that. So that could be the floor on this stock. Historically, they've grown at around 2%, although last year their revenues went down 5%. And I think if they start to grow, there's just upside potential. I'm basing my model on 0% growth. I'm also taking that conservative free cash flow guidance that the company gave, that they would have 1.6 billion in free cash flow in 2020. So as you can see, it's just flat. And I'm doing net present value of all those free cash flows, and I get 15.7 billion as a value for this company. The market cap for the company is 11.8 billion. So there is a difference there. I think there is a discount of 38% if you look at the value of the company compared to the market cap. On a share basis, if we divide all the shares outstanding into the value of the company or the market cap, it would come down to, I think the company should be valued at around $15.21, but it's trading at $11.03. So again, you would have about a 38% discount. The way I view this company is that you will definitely get a yield based on that dividend. That's a solid dividend. Company produces plenty of free cash flow. They're profitable. But if they start growing, you're going to get great upside. So I think it's a really good value play. So looking at the performance for Lumen last year, it wasn't a great year. Their revenue went down about 5%. Their subscribers went down about 5%. I think it's getting rid of legacy businesses, that copper voice business that they're trying to get rid of. They did pay their high dividend and they generated a lot of free cash, 3.6 billion in free cash. They were very profitable and had a very good PE of 8.72. They're guiding 2022 quite conservatively, but I'm using those numbers in my estimates. They're guiding for free cash flow to be between 1.6 billion and 1.8 billion. I'm expecting it's going to be higher than that, but I'll take that number as a very conservative number. They're investing big in fiber and they want that to be a part of their future. They're guiding that net income. They will be profitable and they have a very good profit of 1 to 1.5 billion. It's a very stable company, stable stock with a big dividend. My outlook is to keep it and see how they will grow their business. If they're able to achieve that, I get upside. If they stay stable, I get a big dividend. So I stand to win either way. All right, so let's take Lumen through my scorecard. First, am I getting a discount on this stock? You absolutely are. If you wait for dips, you can get this stock at a really good discount. Is the company being operated well? Yes. They have kind of a change in the type of products they want to sell, and they're doing so. They're investing in the future, and they're investing in something that's going to grow and give them good profit. And last, is the timing good? It absolutely can be. Look for dips in the stock. Recently, last month or so, it's been going up in value, which is good for anybody who has a stock, but you want to pick your spots. You want to pick on dips, buy it at a good price, and then hold it for that big dividend. So overall, I'm saying this is a pretty good stock to buy, and that's my recommendation. So this video is for entertainment purposes only. I'm not recommending that you buy Lumen or any stock or security. I own this stock and like to share my experience with it. Hope you found it interesting. Thank you so much for watching my video. Again, please like my video, consider subscribing to my channel, and hit that bell if you want to be notified when I release a new video. Thanks again for watching, and good luck investing in 2022.